Dear friends, it's Bashir Fadl. We continue our journey into programming and developing in Python. Today, before we get into our subject, we want to mention something that's very important, and that is, let me step out of programming for a second and into real life. Suppose I'm going to go fishing. Bashir is Bashir, but I cannot go catch a fish as is. I need to take a package with me. I need to take, some things that are going to attract the fish and rod be able to kind of reel that fish in. If I'm going to go hunting, I'm going to need to wear the right gear and have certain things that I'm able to kind of catch a deer with. I'm going to go mountain climbing, I'm going to need some ropes and some better shoes and different. So every time you go into a project, hypothetically speaking, in real life, you need a package, certain package to take with you. Similarly, when it comes to programming in Python, if I'm trying to do mathematical work, a little bit more complex mathematical work, or plotting and drawing and stuff in artificial intelligence and so on, machine learning, then I'm going to need to import certain packages or libraries or modules. So what we're going to do now is first I'm going to create a little bit of code where I'm going to show that I need to import those libraries, and then an error message is going to happen. When I see that error message, it means I don't have it already in there. I need to go download it and import it, and we're going to show you how to search for it and be able to find that library. So let's look at that error message first. So as you can see in this example, I need to do some plotting. I've got my coordinates and everything in there. Let's go ahead and run it. And again, error message that this module has not been found, the first one that we're importing. Okay, let's just take it out. We're importing another one that's going to help us do their mathematical computations and plotting. And sure enough, it's saying I cannot find this module as well. So if we get an error message like this, it basically means, okay, I'm going fishing without the right tool set that I need there. Similarly, I need to go in and install it. So where do I find that information? We're going to show you a couple of ways to do that. So one of the easier ways whenever you get an error message with a module that you can import is you can go to our courses at kinseytech.com and then just go straight to the Python course. We normally need to register, but this one is readily available to you. You don't have to register for it. So just go to Python Libraries, click on it, and it's going to take you straight to pages where you can go in and download it, regardless of what you have, whether it's Windows or Linux or Mac. You're going to find the different ways of downloading those modules so you can be up and running and running and executing those programs. The good thing is it's a one-time thing where we need to go and install or import it, and then after that, once you have it, set up, it's easy just to go in and create your programs and run with it. So in the next episodes, we're going to see how we're going to use some of those modules that were imported and use those to kind of do plotting and additional mathematical and random functions and so on. Very enjoyable. See you in the next episode.